So let's bring that into a time of meditation, into a time of our practice. Seeing clearly now. We come together in practice to see clearly now, to affirm. And we are sitting in the midst of love, which is our togetherness. And we do have a mountain to move. And it is moved through our love. Our daily word said today, things may disturb my equilibrium, but will not steal my joy. So there are things in our lives, there are things in this world, of this world, that may disturb our equilibrium. But they may not have our practice. They may not take the place of the power of love, light, belonging, community. So we come together in this love. We let no thing stand in the way of our connection, our community, our friendships, our peace, our practice, our oneness. So we inhale and we exhale. Releasing that which separates us. Breathing into that which binds us. Letting go of the need to control the outer, even when it feels like the inner might be unraveling. I invite us to tune in if there is an unraveling for you in your life, in your being, in your world, in your mind. And know even in the midst of this, God is your source. The I am nature demonstrated in the master teacher, Jesus the Christ. That is the I am nature offered to all of creation. It sings its song in the birds. It knows itself in the season of rebirth. And it demonstrates its nature that has no opposite in and through and as each one of us and as our lives. So we use our practice to draw our minds to the truth, the light, the way, the love that moves mountains, the light that illumines the darkness, and the peace that passes all understanding. We find that spiritual safety within. As we touch the stillness of the silence. by the power of this practice. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.